When Missouri House Representative Richard West entered the legislature in 2020, he was strongly against the legalization of drugs for any reason.
I had a very closed mind. I really did.
But now, the former cop finds himself sponsoring a bill to legalize psilocybin, or magic mushrooms, to treat PTSD.
If you're at the end of your rope and there's nothing else you could do, then maybe we try alternative methods, and that's what this does.
His change of heart comes from the doctor's supervision in the clinical studies and the small dosage of psilocybin that is used.
And in microdoses, you don't even feel the high as we typically would think you do. So this works on a microchemical level.
However, the Missouri Association of Prosecuting Attorneys stands in opposition. But it's not because psilocybin is a Schedule I drug.
Did create some pretty broad criminal immunity for participants in the program, just based on the way the statute was written.
Thompson says a change in the bill's wording could help it reach the governor's desk, where West likes its odds.
I think the governor would sign it.
As lawmakers look to add another tool in the fight against veteran suicide. Jacob Siciliano, KOMU 8 News, Jefferson City.